Hello my dear students, hope all of you are doing well and maintaining good health. I am Dr Smruti Madam and I welcome you all to Etuson, Education for Better Tomorrow. It's a digital learning platform for Odia and English medium students. If you believe in quality education, then you are in the right platform. As in Etuson, we provide quality education which will definitely help you to build your career. So, what are you waiting for? Please download the Etuson app and enroll yourself so that you can avail all the facilities at your fingertips. So students, without wasting much time, let us start today's class. So today we are going to learn a new concept, that is how to find out the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Okay, let me remind you one more thing, that your monthly test for the month of September is going to happen on 8th of October. So please do practice for that so that you can score good marks. Okay children, so let us start today's class. So I'll start with one illustration. Sakila put ₹100 into her daughter's money box when she was 1 year old. ₹150 she put on her second birthday, ₹200 she put on her third birthday, and will continue in the same way. How much money will be collected in the money box by the time her daughter is 21 years old? Correct? So now, let us understand. Here the amount of money in rupees that is put by Sakila in the money box on her first, second, third, fourth birthday were respectively 100, 150, 200, 250, so on and so forth, till her 21st birthday. To find the total amount in the money box on her 21st birthday, we will have to write each of the 21 numbers in the list above and then add them up. Correct or not? Don't you think it would be a tedious and time-consuming process? Can we make this process shorter? So, let us understand by taking one more simple example. After learning the concept, we will come back to this particular problem. Okay? So, let us find out a method for getting this sum. Find the sum of the positive integers from 1 to 100. If someone will ask you to find out the sum of the positive integers from 1 to 100. So how you are going to do it? So let the sum be represented by capital S and you will start writing numbers from 1, 2, 3 up to 100. Correct or not? So same has been written. 1 plus 2 plus 3 in between to represent the numbers. Dot sign has been given, plus 99 and the last term is 100. Correct? This is the way you will write. Now what I will do, we will reverse the number and we will write it. Okay? That means the summation which was represented by the summation of the numbers starting from 1 to 100, that we will write in the reverse manner. Here, instead of writing from 1 to 100, we will write from 100 to 1. That is in the reverse order. The answer remains unchanged, right? So, then what we will do? We will add both the way we have written S. So, we will add S plus S. So, can you check it now? Now, here there is 1. Here 100. So, first term 100 plus 1 within the bracket. Second bracket 2 plus 99 we have written. Similarly, then you will have 3 plus 98. Correct or not? So, you will have, so we are writing it together. So, you will have 98 plus 3. then we will have 97 plus 4. Correct or not? So as you can see, if the this summation process continues, you can see first term within the bracket is keep on decreasing and it will reduces to 1, and the second term within the bracket is increasing and it is reaching 100. Correct or not? But both ways what you are getting is, you are getting by adding all the pair of numbers which you have obtained, you are getting same answer, that is 101. That is 100 plus 1 is equal to 101. 99 plus 2 is also 101. 3 plus 98 is also 101. So all this bracket, the numbers inside the bracket, the pair of numbers which when added is getting 101. And how many such pairs are there? There are 100 pairs. So you will get 101 100 times. Correct or not? So you can just write down now the summation S is equal to 100 into 101 divided by 2, and your answer will be 5050. Correct? So now we will now use the same technique to find the sum of first n terms of an AP. Okay? Suppose AP is represented by your A plus D and A plus 2D, so on and so forth. The nth term of this AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. Correct or not? Let S denote the sum of the first n terms of the AP. Right? So now S will be equal to A plus second term A plus D plus third term A plus 2D, so on and so forth to nth term, that is A plus n minus 1D. So write what we have done in the previous problem. What we will do, we will rewrite the term in the reverse order. Okay, so reverse order means first nth term will come. So we have written A plus n minus 1 into D plus the n minus 1 term A plus n minus 2D, so on and so forth, and your last term will be A. Here your first term was A, last term was nth term. In second time when you are writing in the reverse order, your nth term is first term and A is your last term. That was first term in the previous summation. Correct or not? Now adding both the equation. Again you see now what you are adding here. A plus n minus 1D plus A. So the answer will be 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Correct or not? Second term. Now you have A plus D here. Here you have A plus n minus 2 into D. Right? So if you add this number to this number, what you get? Again you get 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So likewise you will find out for each term when it is getting added and you are pairing it with a parenthesis, each time you are getting 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, and how many times it is happening? It is happening n times, right? It is happening n times. So your 2S is equal to 2A n times 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Correct or not? Right? So we can write down 2S is equal to n into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So what will be the summation then? S is equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the generalized formula to find out the sum of the first n terms of an AP. Correct? So now if I will split this 2A to A plus A, right? Can I do that? Yes. So it will be S is equal to n by 2 A plus n minus 1 into D. Correct? So now what is this A plus n minus 1 into D? That is nothing but equal to nth term. Correct or not? So now here we can write S is equal to n by 2 within the parenthesis A plus an. So what is an? An is the last term of the arithmetic progression. Correct or not? Now if there are only n terms in an AP, then an is equal to L, the last term. So we can write the summation is equal to n by 2 into A plus L, where A is the first term of the AP and L is the last term of the AP. Correct or not? Where? So this formula where you can use where the common difference is not given. If the common difference is given, directly you can use this formula. Correct or not? Okay. So now let us go back to the problem which we have considered in the beginning. So we have to find out the total money collected on her 21st birthday. That is the sum of the first 21 terms of this AP. So if you remember, Sakila on the first birthday of her daughter, she had put 100. So your first term is A is equal to 100. And every year she was increasing it by 50 rupees, right? Because the series was 100, 150, 200, 250, so on and so forth. So what is the common difference? So common difference is 50. So now n is equal to 21. Why? Because you have to find out the total money collected on her 21st birthday. Okay, so n is equal to 21 here. So here you don't know what is the last term. So you can use this formula. S is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now all the value you know here, n is equal to 21, a is equal to 100, t is equal to 50. So we have just substituted the corresponding numbers, that is 21 by 2 within the bracket 2 into 100 plus 21 minus 1 into 50, that is equal to 21 by 2. So you will get 200 plus 1000, then multiply it and your final answer is 12,600. So Sakila will collect total 12,600 rupees on her daughter's 21st birthday. Correct, children? Now it was quite easy to find out the total sum. Correct or not? So now let us take some more example. So here you have to find the sum of the first 1000 positive integers. First, so here, so let S is equal to 1 plus 2 plus so on and so forth till 1000. Correct? So here your first term of the AP is 1. The common difference is 1 of course, and n is equal to 1000. Correct or not? So now we have to find out the sum S. What is the formula for S? S is equal to, because here first term and last term is already given to you. So you can use the formula n by 2 a plus L. What is L here? L is the last term, that is 1000. So I can write down 1000 divided by 2 and first term is 1 and the last term is 1000. So you get 500 into 1001 and your answer is 500,500. Correct? So now let us go to the next bit. The first n positive integers. So you have to find the sum of first n positive integers. So here let S is equal to what? 1 plus 2 plus up to n, because we don't know what is the last term, so we will represent it as n. Okay, so here a is equal to first term, that is 1, right? And your common difference is 1, number of digit is n. Okay, and the last term is also given, L is also equal to n, right? So using your formula, S is equal to n by 2, a plus last term, first term plus last term. So I can write n by 2, first term is 1, last term is n, right? So let us rewrite it. So it is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So the sum of first n positive integers is equal to how much? So your Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Correct? So hope you have understood. Now let us go to another example. A manufacturer of TV set produced 600 sets in the third year and 700 sets in the seventh year. Assuming that the production increased uniformly by a fixed number every year, find the production in the first year, the production in the 10th year, the total production in the first 7 years. So let us solve bit by bit. So आज the production increases uniformly as the production increases uniformly. So it represents AP. It represents one arithmetic progression. Correct? So now according to the question, your A3 third year, A3 is equal to 600 and your A7 is equal to 700. Correct or not? Now what is A3? According to the formula, A3 is equal to A plus 2D, that is equal to 600, and A7 will be equal to A plus 6D, that is equal to 700. Right? So if you subtract equation 1 from equation 2, okay, so equation 2 minus equation 1, it implies 4D is equal to 100, 700 minus 600, that is 100. It implies your D will be equal to 100 divided by 4, that is equal to 25. So now what you have to find out? You have to find out the production in the first year. So that means you have to find out A value. So the production in the first year, how you are going to find out? So you can use any of the equation, that is A plus 2D or A plus 6D, and you can obtain your A value. So production in the first year is given by your 600 minus 2D, that is 600 minus 2 into 25, and your answer is 550. Correct? So the production in the first year is 550. Now, you have to find out the production in the 10th year and the total production in the first 7 years. So, in order to find out the production in the 10th year, that means A10 you have to find out. So, production in the 10th year. Production in the 10th year is nothing but equal to A10. And what is the formula for A10? It is A plus 9D. Now you already know what is the value of your A, that is 550, plus what is the value of D, you know, that is 25, that is 9 into 25. So 550 plus 225, and your answer is 775. So this is the production in the 10th year in the company. Okay. So now in the bit 3 you have to find out the summation of the total production in 7 years. Okay. So you have to find out the total production in 7 years. So when you are telling about total production, you have to find out the summation. So here you have to find out S7. Okay. And we know what is the formula. Formula is n by 2, because we don't know the last term. So we can use this formula, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So here what is the value? Here your a is equal to 550, d is equal to 25 and n is equal to 7. Okay, so can we find out S7 now? So that is nothing but equal to 7 by 2, 2 into 550 plus 7 minus 1 into 25, that is equal to 7 by 2, 1100 plus 6 into 25, that is 150. So you get 7 by 2 into 1250 and your answer is 4375. Okay, so this is the total production in 7 years. Correct, children? Hope you have understood. So the concept of how to find out the sum of n numbers. Okay, children? So please do practice some more examples and also practice for your test for the month of September, which is going to happen in 8th of October. Please do practice. Thank you for your patient hearing. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Follow us in YouTube, Instagram and Twitter, and don't forget to download Etuson now. Take care of yourself and keep practicing.